Here we will write a program to check entered value is present in dictionary or not in Python. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write the program description. First we will define the dictionary. So D equal to, we will specify the keys and values for the dictionary. Then we will accept the integer value from the user to check in dictionary. So n equal to int input enter number to check, and then we will check if n in D. We will print key is present in dictionary, else we will print key is not present in dictionary. Then we will save it. We will name it as check key and we will execute it. I will enter number to check 2. It will print key is present in dictionary. Again I will execute it and I will enter number 5. It will print key is not present in dictionary.